Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something awesome to share, a brand new Blockman GO mod that's going to blow your mind. Stick around to see it in action, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. If you enjoy this, please hit that subscribe button to join the crew. This mod works on all Android and iOS devices, but make sure you have the latest version of Blockman GO installed. The star of the show is the mod menu, which you can open by tapping the gear icon. Once inside, you can instantly max out your Gcubes and other resources. Plus, there are tons of other cool features to customize your Blockman GO experience. Want to try it? Check the pinned comment below, where I've shared exactly how to get this mod. If this mod works for you, drop a comment and let me know how it went. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this, please subscribe for more. Don't forget, the mod details are in the pinned comment. See you next time.